Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about the updates to multi-cluster LCM, released in Prism Central 7.3 as part of the NCI 7.3 release. Customers managing multiple Nutanix clusters often face operational challenges during upgrades. This is because Lifecycle Manager upgrades are initiated individually from each Prism element. In environments with many clusters, this quickly becomes time-consuming. Multi-cluster LCM enhances the management plane by integrating directly with Prism Central. It empowers customers to manage upgrades across multiple Prism element clusters from a single unified interface. Whether you're executing, scheduling, auditing, or remediating upgrades, you can now do it all in one place. In this update, multi-cluster LCM now supports inventory operations, as well as upgrade operations for both software and firmware. To access LCM, navigate to the Admin Center within Prism Central. All of the Prism element clusters connected to Prism Central are listed under the Connected Clusters section. Here, you can quickly see a summary of each cluster, including the number of hosts, the LCM framework version, the last inventory status, and recent upgrade history. Perform an inventory of Prism Central before starting an upgrade. The upgrade plan shows a list of all available software and firmware updates for the selected cluster. This helps you easily review what updates are ready to be applied before starting the upgrade process. Nutanix recommends running pre-upgrade checks before starting any upgrade operations. These checks help identify potential issues in advance, ensuring a smoother and more reliable upgrade process. The original release of multi-cluster LCM enabled users to trigger the inventory operation on the Managed Prism element clusters. In this next phase of development, users can now also perform upgrade operations for both software and firmware on connected Prism element clusters directly from Prism Central. They can also see the status of each cluster, including details about the latest inventory checks and upgrade actions. This makes it easier to manage and track upgrades across multiple clusters from one place. Thanks for watching the new stuff for NCI 7.3 Multi-Cluster LCM.